Here's how to redact files in Smallpdf. Let's get to it. So on smallpdf.com, you need to log into your account. After that, you need to scroll down. Under More Tools, you're going to find Redact here. Press on it. Now you should be able to add a PDF, image, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files. You can see here, you've got these supported formats: PDF, document, XLS, PPT, etc. Now you just need to press on this Select Files button on the top, and you can select an image file, or I can go over to the Downloads button and select this sample PDF file. Now inside it, all you need to do is select this Redact button on the top, and you've got this cursor with the plus icon. Just press and drag it like this, and it's going to redact. You can hover on it to read it, or you can just see this. There is a black redacted box on top. I can do it for all of these like this. There you go. It works. And just like this, you can redact any of your files in Smallpdf. Press on Finish, and you should be able to download it from here now. And yeah, that's it. That's how to redact files in Smallpdf. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Smallpdf related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.